Hi guys, welcome to Sadi's SFDC. In this video, we are going to see other features available in Salesforce Inspector, which we did not discuss. In Salesforce Inspector, there is a switch option between Home and Setup page. Here you can see Setup Home. If you click this, it will automatically redirect to Setup Home. And from here, you can directly switch to your home page. Salesforce Home. It is ease of use function which helps to switch between your setup home and Salesforce Home. Users tab in Salesforce Inspector. User tab will have current user details as default. You can click the details button and directly go to the details of the user. Apart from that, you can search any user details in this tab. And you can click and view the details, as well as you also can able to log in through this ID. Yes, now you have logged in. But please make ensure that you have login privilege for the current user which you are trying to log in. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.